with Reaper against a team I don't know what they run, so.
So there. Oh. 1 pixel off.
It turns out I was joking.
Okay, get ready, guys.
Wait, so does your coach not stay in the Discord?
No, I'm still here.
Okay.
On the tournaments, he doesn't, but
Yeah. Wait, who's not in
They
the
were Ryan's
oh,
over
shit.
here.
I'm going in.
Mercy's half.
Ferret's
Ryan.
McCree behind.
I'm
Guys,
down.
watch your back line.
Point.
Whoa.
Sorry about that stack.
I'll switch to soldier so we can take
Don't
care of this
forget
Ferret.
to call the disengage saber.
Yep. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yep. Okay.
Oh boy.
Try to
this is what we're doing, yeah.
Don't hesitate to go
Okay,
in
I'm jumping
once
in.
Winston's in.
Oh
So
shit.
Let's go.
holy crap.
Can't let you tank die, guys.
Get the Ryan here.
This is ours, I charge.
I'm Mercy. I'm Mercy.
Ryan 1.
Should probably get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is always really high charge. We gotta be careful.
What a...
Trident.
Sorry. I'm not hearing the targets.
This one switches Zarya.
Focus the Zarya on right.
I'm on Mercy. I'm on Mercy. Oh, fuck.
Get this Ryan. He's out of place.
Wow,
Dang.
this is harsh.
Okay. Guys, follow the Winston when you dive in. You can't just let him dive alone. You call before you engage so we can begin to press forward once you say that, so we won't be alone when he's actually in. Let's go.
I'm on Mercy.
Ryan.
Mercy's right in front of us.
Get the
I'm on
Mercy.
McCree.
Go in.
Get the Mercy.
McCree's dead.
She's low.
Soldier, focus the Ferret.
Super low, super low.
I lost track of where she is.
Lucio.
Above us.
I
Ryan.
was changing.
Keep going.
The Zarya. I'll get Mercy first, I guess.
Ryan super low.
Yep. Mercy still.
Blocked.
Zarya one hit.
Farah. Mercy.
What?
Ryan's low.
Ryan. I'm down.
Wow.
No healers.
Both healers.
Careful.
You must save the point. It's your last chance, guys, so don't waste it. Help point.
I grab a second.
Come.
Their Mercy's positioning is terrible, and we should be deleting her.
Well, to be fair, I switched to Zarya too late.
I think
I
that doesn't
couldn't.
make a difference. We just need to
It
make sure
did.
we're. The second this Mercy pops out of cover, like we don't even need to call the target. Like as soon as you see her out of cover, you should just be shooting her.
Why don't you go?
Sure.
Why don't you go Reaper?
Zafara.
Yeah, I think this is good. If we're getting shut down, I'll go Reaper. If you want to stay McCree, but we can try the double hit scan here. Reaper also doesn't do well against the new Mercy that well. Like I can kill her when she's ulting with Soldier, but not with Reaper. And that we just got to get the Mercy down. Like she has.
Yeah,
to
Where's
this
we
is
going, guys? Where we going?
They're
Follow
going
mate
right.
since you have long range.
I'm
McCree
charging.
one. They're all stunned.
There's a Ferret
on that
behind all of you.
Ryan.
There's a Mercy right behind us. Super out of position. Shoot her.
She's one. Nice.
Got a res. Thanks.
Ryan
Get in
1.
Let's go.
Okay. Do you have bubble?
You gotta push up.
Not bury yet.
Range one.
I do.
Kill that McCree.
The McCree right. Yep. Get the Zarya. Get the Lucio.
Far's above.
kill. Oh,
Which is back, which is low.
okay, now you get out.
Oh, everyone's down.
Yep, everyone's down.
We didn't actually clean that up. Like, we won the fight, but couldn't clean it up fast enough to actually, like, earn the point.
Watch out, they're like right there. Like
I was
Yeah,
having
waiting
a
for the
bit of a 1v1 with McCree for a good amount of time there, and I was just like right beside the team,
Well,
but
the
no one
fire
turned
was
around.
destroying
Y'all
from
up.
above.
Get in there.
Yep.
Let me first take some damage for you, Ryan.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm shattering.
Get in there fast, guys. Don't waste the
McCree,
shatter.
McCree.
Fire one.
Kree's one.
I didn't
Kree's
even
dead.
click.
Zarya right.
Mercy stun.
Winston.
And get this
the
Mercy.
Mercy, yep.
Nice.
Farah. Good job.
That's a clip.
Careful, guys. Remember,
I didn't know
you
that
didn't
Deadeye
use much
bug
ult.
was still a thing.
Say again, Pigeon.
What ult didn't they use since the start of the
They
game?
use a lot.
They didn't use Grav.
Where are we
They
holding?
try monkey too.
Okay, we're holding up here. I'm shattering.
Okay.
Monkey behind, monkey
Okay.
behind.
Fast. You can speed
He's
boost
low.
on that, Lucio.
Zarya one.
Monkey behind. He's wrecking our healers, so we gotta get this monkey.
Winston, behind. He's down.
Wait. Gotta respond
Back
faster to that. I mean,
No.
he just jumped right past us all.
Yeah.
And just killed our Mercy.
Someone can go pick up Mercy if possible. Lucio.
I will.
Yeah,
I
let's
will.
go. We can hold.
Okay, soldiers going for it. So, let's go.
Watch out.
Fight.
Mercy's in the.
Go
Okay.
grab this.
Oh my god.
Jeez.
Shield broke.
Wow.
It's
That
okay.
was bad timing.
It's fine. They wasted 3 ults for that. 2 of them were very expensive. Both DPS.
My ultimate is charging.
Yeah, they definitely didn't need the high noon in there, but it's
Alright, we're all together. Let
The
Ryan go
high noon
first.
was
Ryan
broke
first.
shield.
They go first.
Bad guys. Heads up.
There you go, Ryan.
Alright, Winston. Middle.
Oh shit! I got knocked in.
Help your Reinhardt.
Ryan, I'm coming.
This Mercy's gotta
Nice.
die. She's right here.
Get the Mercy.
This will protect us.
Lucio's one.
Mercy.
Yeah, she's
I'm
living way too long.
Trying to
no
keep our
healers.
Ryan alive.
Arrow, your DPS is down.
Get out there.
The
Get out.
charge.
You still got one last push, so don't
Can
waste
someone
it.
kill that Ferret? Nice.
Okay,
We
you
can
gotta
go
pick.
in with that.
Lucio, leave me behind.
Almost ready.
Careful.
Let's go.
I'm shattering. Shit.
It's okay, get in there
Break
fast.
the bubble. Break Winston bubble. Break it.
You have 5 seconds to get on point. Okay, good.
Behind us.
I'm down.
Mercy's on the Winston.
Get the Winston.
Lucio's low.
You get in that barrier.
You can win this fight.
Nice. Oh, nice.
Wow.
Let's go, Lucio.
They're coming in fast. Careful, Trident. You have a Mercy coming in.
Enemy seen.
She's one.
Good job, you can hold it.
Alright, get the McCree. Alright, now get the Lucio.
Tracy's coming back in. Dead.
Good kill.
Okay,
Careful,
so
still got
holding
one
up.
last
let's
push.
just keep Mercy dead all
Which
the
is behind
time.
us. Be careful.
Don't let them back cap us. They need 1%,
She's
so.
constantly flying in by
Just stay
herself,
close
so
to
we can
you,
easily
so
kill
if they
her.
try to back
Mercury left
cap,
side,
you
Mercury
can
left
always
side.
speed boost.
Nice.
Mercy by herself.
Mercy right.
Going,
Mercy
going,
left.
going.
Back.
Got her.
You can finish them. They almost all down, so just clean them up fast.
Yeah, just go in. Don't be afraid.
Get in there, fast. Speed boost on that.
Push in.
You won't be able to
I'll
get
get a barrier
there.
for you in a second.
Winston's making his way
They're
to point.
running for the
Winston's
point. They're running for the point.
Speed boost on point, Lucio.
Zarya one.
I should have spoke up sooner. I didn't want to push.
Mercy of 1, 2.
You gotta focus Mercy
Mercy.
first.
She's one.
Die
She's dead.
and clean them up.
Winston.
Get this
Winston.
straight. Watch out, high noon.
Crap.
Are you able to res me off the
Nope.
Shit.
Gets done.
Pardon me.
Okay, we should have had that. We just ignored
No,
the
we
point.
didn't need to chase them into their spawn point. We needed to
Yeah.
we only had 10 seconds. We just needed to hold the point, or we could have held that choke right there. I couldn't think fast
We
enough
had
to say
too
no,
much
no, don't.
comms going on for other stuff.
The Winston on the point by himself, that's fine, but since there was a Mercy there too, that we had to deal with that.
Well, so we said run into the point, and so I followed you guys, and then I saw the Mercy and the Winston go right, and so I was like, crap, Mercy, go, 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 and I like started to run back to the point. Like it happened so fast. There was just no way. Like
Well, actually, that was what you were supposed to do. Just go back on point. But that Mercy should have died on the way because she was in the middle of the team, and she
Yeah,
still
Mercy-
didn't die on that.
Was always out of position, but she didn't die.
Do you
I
have
was-
a message from Trippin, Saren?
Let me see real quick.
oh, excuse me. Like as soon as we started killing that Mercy, it just became easy.
Yeah, and then we just didn't keep doing it.
Well, we did good until the very end. We just like pushed too far ahead and then couldn't respond to the 2-1 point quick enough.
I think the pullback was called too late.
If we dealt with the Mercy before the Winston that was on point, we could have killed Winston easily and then won that. But people tried to kill Winston instead.
I focused the Mercy.
It's okay. We don't care whose fault it was. It was a team fault that she didn't die. Because if everyone focused her, she would have died.
Yep.
So I blame everyone on that, and no one. So don't bother with that. You should have killed her. It was a good move to push in. Just need to do it properly next time.
How
Because
do we
if
do
they
it
really want to
properly?
go again on point, the only one who could have done it was Winston jumping over the edge. So it should have been seen. And should have called back a bit sooner, so we could fall back faster on point.
I don't know. I actually think I disagree on that particular situation just because they were at 99%, and that's what I was trying to say was like they only need to be on the point for like 2 seconds and we lose. And then as I was saying that, the Winston jumped onto point, and like had I not sprinted back the second I saw him, they would have just like C9'd us.
Actually, the overtime trigger when you had the point first on that. So you still have a bit more time.
Oh, okay. Well, it
How
still
about-
was. It's
yeah.
it's cutting it real close. Like I just didn't. I
Yeah,
didn't feel like it was
we'll
worth the
discuss,
risk.
discuss this a bit later.
Okay.
Are you ready for the next map?
Mhm.
Yep.
Okay, good.
Now entering King's
King's Row, eh?
Ah, wise guy.
Yeah.
He's
wanna
a
talk
guy
about
with
it?
a crown.
Ah,
Um,
shites.